Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trishalexandria. I'm a Capricorn and I'm a Jamaican and I'm your personal money magnet.
Brick, brick pam brick.
So today's video is a video that I mentioned I do and I got so many requests like, girl can finally say video early requested without lying to themselves. So anyways, today's video is gonna be my introduction to Forex video. I put up a community poll asking if you guys just wanted one long video or if you guys wanted a series, and y'all said series. So that's what I was gonna do anyways. But I just wanted to see if we were on the same wavelength, and we were. Few notable mention, guys. I did my hair. Thank you guys for all your love and support constantly. Y'all are getting me so close to monetization. My goal on YouTube is to be monetized. With that being said, guys, I have a few things that I would love you guys not to do. Please do not email that business email in my description box because I will not answer unless you are paying me or you're sending me items to promote or you're asking for a collaboration as a business or a YouTuber. If you ask me anything about jobs or Forex in my business email, I'm going to ignore it. So just don't email that email address. You can comment, and if you have a question that you would like me to answer, you can DM me. I might not respond to your DM, but someone will always respond to your comment. All right? Awesome. So today's video is going to come out of my little book of big ideas. Let me show y'all. Y'all are used to the book of life, but today's video is coming from Trisha's little book of big ideas. And I started learning Forex sometime last year. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not guaranteed success. I had friends who do Forex, who did the courses, who paid for the pyramid scheme things that don't do Forex today. I have friends who had mentors who have made a lot of money and lost a lot of money. I have a friend who actually encouraged me to start, who said he lost $1 million before he made $100,000. It's not an overnight thing, it's not guaranteed success, and like anything in life, you gotta push for it if you really want it. I started trading sometime last year, around them time where I start trading. And boy, I'm gonna tell you, I've had nights where you make like $100 no problem, and I have nights where I sit and watch the market the whole night and I blow my account. I took a break and I'm about to start back, and with starting back, I'm relearning while I'm teaching you guys. Now, this can be a little bit confusing, but if you stick with me throughout and also do research on your own, you will understand in due time. I am self-taught. I didn't pay anybody for a course. Baby, anything I don't understand, I ask my friend because my friend is my mentor, or I YouTube or Google it. So let's begin. Forex is an abbreviation or slang for the term foreign exchange, and Forex trading is trading on a global market for exchanging national currencies. Just stick with me. That word currency is going to be something that is going to be used throughout your trading lifetime, right? Or trading career. So the Forex markets tend to be the largest markets in the world, and it's $1 trillion market. Currencies trade against each other in a buy or a sell as exchange rate pairs. So keep that in mind. Currency pairs. That's going to be very important soon. So how do, like, everybody wants to know, like, all right, whatever, but how you make the coin? How do you make the cheese? People buy a currency pair, remember I said that, at a lower price and sell at a higher price. Basically what you do, you take advantage of the fluctuations of currency And when you're in a trade, you're trading currency. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense to you guys. Right? I just wanted to get that out of the way. So it's a digital market. You can use, it's a digital platform, and I'll just put a video up of what you should be expecting to see when you start trading. This is the market, guys. The markets open and close 24/5. So it opens on Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I think it's about 4 o'clock. And it closes at Friday 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it'd be about 4 o'clock GMT. The foreign exchange market does not crash. So you can't lose your money by the market crashing. Money constantly changes in value. So how does like money fluctuate, just all right, let me explain. Fluctuation is like yesterday $1 is 150 GMD, tomorrow $1 is like 140 GMD. That's like a fluctuation in currency, and many things can impact fluctuations. The news, global events. For instance, the other day with the whole war thing, when the war just started in the Ukraine and Russia, the Euro USD, which is what I trade, that market went to zero real quick. So if you were selling, you would have made easy money. Easy money. COVID actually made the market drop as well. So diseases can affect it. Anything that's going on in your country, good or bad, can affect how well the dollar is doing. So let's define some terms, some common terms that you're gonna hear. What's a pip? Pip pump pip. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can insert a meme because y'all ain't gonna understand that. So a pip is a point in percentage. It's a unit of measurement used to express in the Forex market. So a pip is gonna be reflected like, we're gonna get into what that's gonna look like and what that means soon. So you're gonna need a broker to trade. Now when I first found this out, I was just like, what's a broker? What's a broker? What's a broker? Your broker is your trading platform. Your trading platform is your broker. If you want to, you can have brokers out here. Pip and lot size go like this, right? So a lot size is the currency units you're exchanging in the market. So your lot size is gonna be like 0.01, and that is 10 cents per pip. 10 cents per fluctuation, basically. Your lot size is the amount of money you're willing to trade, win or loss. So a lot size, the common lot sizes are, you have a micro lot size, that's 10 cents per pip, and that's 0.01. You have a mini lot size of 0.10, which is $1 per pip, and then you have a standard lot size, which is 1.00, which is $10 a pip. So that's a standard lot size, and it depends on the size of your account what lot size you use. So we're gonna tie this in with risk management. So you use a smaller lot size for a smaller account. So if you have $100 in your trading account, you can use your micro lot or your mini lot. But if you use a mini lot, if the market goes on like 100 pips, yeah, you're gonna lose all your money. So it's recommended that if you have like $100, you trade it like a micro lot size. All right, so the lot size plus pips equals the amount of money you gain or lose. So I'm gonna give you an example. So let's say you're in a trade and you get 100 pips. You're gonna make, if you were in a mini lot, which is a $1 per pip lot, you would make $100. So it says I should refer to the Supreme chart, and I'm just gonna put that on the screen. So when trading, you should be setting a stop loss or a take profit. A stop loss or an SL is basically like if you're not able to look at your trade, or suppose you fall asleep, suppose your net drops or whatever, and that market tanks, it will tank until it takes all the money out of your account. So if you set a stop loss, you don't want to lose beyond this amount of pips. or this amount of money. If you set a take profit, you don't, if the market goes up a certain level and you're not looking, you can just take that. Some people adjust their stop loss or take profit based on the trade, because you can set your take profit too low and then it shoots past it and then you miss out, because by the time you enter that trade, it's already done. The trade's already done. All right, so let's talk about major currencies. These are the major currencies that you're going to be trading, right? The Canadian dollar, the US dollar, the Great British Pound, the European Euro, the Japanese Yen, the AUD, the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc, and the New Zealand dollar. So you have four market sessions. You have the Sydney session, which is the Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar. You have the Tokyo session, the London session, which is the largest session. It is the Great British Pound, the Euro, and the Swiss franc. Then you have the New York session, which is Canadian and USD. So it's kind of confusing, but just stick with me, right? So who are the market participants, right? You have commercial banks, central banks, multinational corps, and forex broker. So you would fall under forex broker. So let's talk about the type of traders, guys. So you have scalping or scalpers. I'm a scalper. I find that right now that is the best way how I can make money. A scalper, basically you enter and close a trade within seconds or minutes, like you're watching it. And when we talk more about like the trading platform, you'll have a more understanding. But that's the best thing for me, because I'm not always able to look at my phone because I'm doing YouTube, I'm watching the TV, I'm working all at once, so I'll miss trades, right? So scalping, you open and close your trade within minutes. You have day traders that open and closes trades on a single day. A lot of forex people right now are day traders. You have swing traders that they hold trades between 1 to 4 days, and then you have position trader that will hold trades for weeks and even years. You also have investors that hold position for several months to several years. So things that are traded on the forex market are like currency, like the currencies I've explained before, commodities such as oil, so you can trade oil, and precious metals such as gold and silver, and cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. All right, guys. So I feel like that's where I'm gonna end, because the next step or the next like set of information is gonna be currency pairs, how to trade them, and it explains a little bit more information about it. So I hope you guys have a little bit more understanding of Forex. You know, it's just a basic get to know. It's like an introduction to Forex. It's pretty much an introduction to Forex. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if y'all want to see more information about Forex. If y'all want to see more of me, click my face, watch my lifestyle videos. And if y'all have any questions, definitely feel free to leave them below. And also, guys, this is just the beginning, so I'm going to have way more information coming. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!